How to log in to your Wells Fargo online banking. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of 1-2-Step. In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to successfully log in to your online banking of Wells Fargo. Now you can also log into Wells Fargo using the mobile app. But for this video, we're going to use the website, so search for wellsfargo.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to the website from where on the left you can see this login page. So firstly, type in the username that you created while you signed up for Wells Fargo. And in the second box, you can type in the password. If you don't remember either of these information, you can click on this link which says forgot username or password. To recover your username, you'll need to type in your social security or your tax ID. And to recover your password, you'll need to type in your username. Once you type in both of these information, you can just click on sign on and you will be successfully logged in to your online banking service of Wells Fargo. So that's all it takes to log in to your online banking of Wells Fargo. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. We upload daily videos on a regular basis, so in order to not miss videos, make sure to hit that notification bell. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching.